Yo, what is going on? This is Andrew, known as ZERODRAWDREW from Pitcatcher Administration. Welcome back to another video. It is Sunday, August 29th, 2021. We are going to do another weekly analysis. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like button. Also smash that subscribe button. Keep us motivated to put out this content every single week, every single day. So normally I don't do this, but the video is sponsored today by myself. So we are running an end of the summer sale for our course. Normally I don't like to sell you guys shit, but if you guys are interested, this is the course. We have everything from getting started, all basic skill, into the advanced skill, trading with banks, etc., etc. Right now the course is going for $227, and we are including unlimited access to signals for the time being. The sale ends after Labor Day, so take advantage while you can, but if you don't want it, enjoy the free content. So here we are. We're going to do a weekly analysis. If you're new to the channel, like I said, I'm going to mark up all the charts and then put in my finishing touches more towards the end. So I'm going to be listening to jazz because it is Sunday, it is early, and I want to keep the vibe. So stick around and let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's have a good week this week. Watching these two levels right here, that support and that resistance, and we're also watching that support. Strange price action. Jerome Powell really shook up the markets on Friday. So we were bearish there, but we came up, held that level. So, this particular trend, we can't have any bias because, we're reading down on the weekly, but then up on the daily. So, we just got to play it by day and react to what we see. Right? So if you guys are interested, I've been posting my live trades on YouTube twice a week, once or twice a week. If you want to check that out and see how I do this step by step, just go through my videos and they're all there. So, like I said, I map out these levels and I just react during the sessions that I trade. So, if I say something during a live analysis, don't take it 100%, wait for confirmation before you enter those types of trades, because like I said, the market is always changing and we just like to react to what we see during the session because things are always changing in the market. So you can't really call it 100%, but if you have an 8 out of 10 chance of being right on something, obviously you're going to go with that, right? It is September. It's a new year, guys. It's a new year. I think September is like New Year's. They should just change New Year's Eve to September 1st, right? Just kidding. for those weekly levels. We're going to come back. Like I said, I like to just draw out the charts and then, kind of see the basics, and then I'll come back, put in my finishing touches, then really focus on what I see, right? So yeah, there is a possibility that I run up. Bullshit. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay. See what's going on here, right? If we take out that candle, we're gonna drop to these lows, but we need to take out that candle on a daily chart. Daily. You really just have to look at this shit like an art. I'm not even kidding, it's not even work. This is art. This is art to me. By the way, all the things that I have on my course, they're all on YouTube. There's nothing that I'm hiding. But at the same time, the reason why you would want to buy a course is because it's more organized. If you're searching for information on YouTube, it's hard to trust certain things because there's one trader saying one thing, another trader saying another thing. So at first, it could be very confusing because you have to take the things those traders say and then you have to apply them and back test them and really make sure they work. And building the confidence is kind of hard. If you see something that already works, you want to stick with that. So, the reason why traders take so long to be profitable in this game is because they're switching from strategy to strategy. And everything works in reality. You just got to make it work for you. So I have an idea. Like I said, just stick around till the end. If you don't want to watch these markups, if you don't want to learn, just skip to the end because that's when I'm going to be going over everything. But if you're one of those traders that actually want to learn how to mark up these charts, stick around the whole video because the only way you're going to really learn how to do this on your own. I mean, you could look for my opinion all day, but if you don't know how to actually mark up these charts, you're never going to be profitable. So just like being honest with you. So many people that come in this game and just want it handed to you, but like that's not the reality. So but we're gonna be positive. We're gonna be positive. We're gonna be positive. It's GJ. I'm gonna come back. Don't worry. Put up my finishing touches. Gold, I had a feeling this was going to start to break out. It's just like trading gold is very hard sometimes because it's very volatile. It moves a lot of pips. So if you're going to trade gold, you want to really minimize your risk to the point where, you know, whatever you're normally risking on a trade, say if you're risking 20 pips on a GBP trade, and on gold you have to risk 40 pips because it moves a lot more, cut the trade in half. It's very simple. Don't be scared to trade gold because it moves more. Just minimize your risk and do the calculation, and it's the same exact risk. So whatever the hell people tell you, because I see other professional traders saying, oh no, I don't trade gold because it's volatile, this and that. Like, no, everything's the same shit. Do the fucking calculation and then rock with it. It's very simple. So stop bitching. You know, that's another thing you guys got to do. You got to turn off the pessimistic bullshit. You know, you're going to see a lot of people, you know, being very pessimistic. Even the ones that are making it, you know, you got to question, why are these professional traders so negative, right? Because they want to put that in your head because they understand how the game works. They want to fuck up your psychology so that you buy their course. It's just very simple. So they say things to get in your fucking head. But don't listen, because they were in your spot one time. And they want to stop you before you get there. I only listen to God. Probably gonna reach these highs. This breakout was weird. I don't know if we're gonna retest that right there, which is, we're going to come back in. We are going to, I wanted this retest last week to the 65 level and never happened, so it's probably going to happen. I want to see it drop to this level. I don't know if Jerome Powell's speech was a little pump and dump, but I have a feeling that it was, because it was bullshit what happened. I mean, we still won the trade, but it's kind of crazy how manipulated the fucking news is. They'll tell you something that's completely bullshit. I mean, just to keep the market afloat, you know, but everything should be selling off at this point, you know, with the Delta variant, you know, with what's going on in the Taliban, all that shit, and the markets are going up. How is that possible? You guys got to ask that question. Doesn't make any sense. Nothing makes any sense anymore. So really, last week's pump was a dump on the stock market, in my opinion. So price action on gold don't really look best. I do see this trend line right here. Did we break that? Yeah, we broke that. How did we break that? This is what you guys got to look at. Was the structure bullshit? Like, if you look over here, yeah, the structure was bullshit. That's what I usually look for when I'm looking for fake outs, right? To look at that, no rejection prior. The structure's weak as hell. Support, see. Let's going to want to fake buyers again though, somewhere probably here, up here. We might want to take out those tops. We'll see right here. Also, I don't know, because not many people watch these videos. People are kind of missing out. I mean, you guys should share this, just so that other people can kind of see these videos and how, a real trader marks up these charts, right? But like, I don't know if you guys would rather me just post the videos like the last 2 weeks, where I'm not speaking, where I'm just like letting the charts mark up. I don't know if some people could actually concentrate better. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you prefer. Would you prefer me speaking and explaining, or just drop the videos as is? See, we never took out that low last week. I think it wants to, so if it does come back into value, we'll probably find a short opportunity. There's just no price action for a short yet. Powell's speech. See what I'm saying? You guys see what I'm saying? If we do come back into the value, we're probably gonna drop to the bottom of that fucking. Don't be greedy, when you're taking these trades, aim for a 2 or 3 to 1, Even a 1 to 1 if you're a beginner. If you're a beginner and you get 1 to 1, be happy with it, It's like you got the discipline, really takes time to build, Even I leave a lot of money on the table, and I've been doing this for 4 years now, so you really have to just build the confidence, which takes time to do. Strange, right? Strange. That's why I'm not a swing trader. I feel bad for swing traders, man. I don't understand. I don't know how they make money. Things are always changing. It did drop to that double bottom low. We took out that low, got sellers interested. Now they're being stopped out. Really have to see what happens here. Smash the like button. Smash that like button, guys. I think I'm getting better at these YouTube videos. I think I'm becoming more comfortable speaking. I'm gonna change the jazz to something else, so I'm gonna pause it real quick. Give me a second. Right. Welcome back. Welcome. I really hope you guys all have a fantastic week. I want to see you guys starting to win. If you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me. Like, I'm serious. I really want to help every single one of you, even if you're not a client of mine. I really want to see everybody on this planet succeed. So everyone has a choice. Everyone has a choice. Everyone has a chance to be something. So why settle for average, right? I had that on my wall until I literally figured it out. It's actually still on my wall. Yeah, everyone has an opportunity to be successful. So why settle? Okay. It's Euro USD. I think we did all four. Let me put in my finishing touches. Let me put in my notes, and then I'm gonna explain everything for you. Okay. I'm gonna put in the finishing touches while I'm recording, and then I'm gonna pause it, put in my notes. That way, I'm not kind of all over the place. And then I'll explain it for you guys. Because I might sound like, stuttering, trying to figure it out, and people hate on that shit. So, hey, I'm just thinking. I do what normal people don't do. I actually think, When I take these trades, I actually think about what I'm doing. I don't just buy or sell. So, if you guys want to talk fucking shit, go fuck yourself. There's a reason why I have 1,000 live calls on my Instagram. 2 years of consistent Excel sheets. I'm showing shit that your guru driving Lamborghinis don't have. You know why? Because they make money off you. I personally don't give a fuck. If you don't want to be here, leave. I make money trading. I drop fucking 20 lots on a trade, and I average about 100 pips a week. So I'm not sweating no fucking course sales, and I've been doing this for a while. So literally, I already know I'm gonna come out ahead every single week. I don't need your sale. So the only reason why I do this is because it keeps me organized in my business. Hate to sound like that, but it's the truth. Got that right shoulder, kind of have like an inverted crown right here, as you can see. Just want to show you guys how I put in my finishing touches, and then I'm going to put in my notes, and then I'm going to come back and explain it for you all. See, so like what I do is when I put in my finishing touches, I really just draw these circles. I want to see the levels that pop out to me. Everything just popping out to me. Like, I want to know what the market looks like when I wake up before I even look at the chart, honestly. Big right there. That trend line and this resistance level is pretty big right there. Gotta keep in mind that we are bearish on the weekly chart. We are bearish on the weekly chart. Came into there. As you can see. All this, that 600 key level is really key support, you know, right on that weekly, right there. That's like key support right there. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna pause it real quick. I'm gonna put in my ideas, then I'm gonna come back and explain everything for you. Just give me 2 minutes, but you know, it's not gonna be 2 minutes. It's gonna be like 2 seconds because you're in the video. Let's go. All right. We back. Let's go. Okay, so Euro USD, right? We're in this weekly range right here. As you can see, we dropped into the double top neckline. We came back in and found support. This is it on the daily chart. But now we're approaching this U resistance at this 1.18030 key level. If you look at the rally that happened on Friday, it left very weak structure. So possibly I can see you know, a possible bull trap above this 1.18050 key level. Look for the breakout and then look for the short when we drop back into value. Right now the price action isn't there, but you know, if that's going to set up, that's going to set up. So I would look for the breakout, come back into value, then look for the short. Now if price does drop first, you know, without that fake out happening, look for support on this level right here on the daily chart. Because if we pull back to this 1.17800 key level, which is right about here, we can look for possible bear traps to that zone as well. So whatever happens first, if you want to look for the bull trap, I would wait for the breakout and then come back into value to short to maybe that level. Or if we pull back first, look for the bear traps to that level. Like I said, we want to react to these levels, and that's how we catch the moves. But if you look at the chart right now, we are in this range, so we're playing it by day with Euro USD. There is no exact bias, right? But we are looking at these resistance levels. So like I said, we can come up, retest that level, drop back into the value, which would be right here, and then that would set up the short opportunity. Or if we pull back first, look for the bear trap to that value. But ideally, I would look for the bull trap because I think, the bull trap, because I think we're gonna do that first. I think we're gonna chase buyers above this 1.08050 key level first, and then I think we're gonna come back into value and probably find support at one of these levels listed. So yeah, that's that. So if we pull back first to this 800 level, find support, look for support there for the buy opportunity up to this resistance level. But if we break above first and then come back into value, we could look for the short opportunity down to these levels listed. Like see, this would be the 15-minute support level right here. So if we pull back first, look for the buy. If we jump up first, look for the sell. That's Euro USD, right? So gold, similar story kind of, because everything's against the dollar. But if you look on gold, 1801 is that key support level, which is right here. As you can see right here, we broke above. We rejected that the week prior. It was kind of an uncertain week. But like if you looked at my last week's analysis, I wanted, you know, seller liquidity be caught at this level before that happened. But since it didn't happen, I think the structure is weak overall. But when you look at the daily chart now, you know, bulls are in control. But like right now, I wouldn't want to do anything with gold until we pull back So say we pull back on a daily chart and then we find support somewhere over here and then we make more price action. I could kind of sort of see an inverted crown starting to form. So say if we find support on that 1801 key level, that weekly key level, say we come back in and we find support at that level, you can look for the buy opportunity once it sets up on the daily chart and look to trade towards those daily highs over here at 1828, right? So a little recap on gold, right? The structure is weak from the FOMC meeting, but at the same time, we are bullish on the weekly chart. Basically do want to see a pullback to that 1801 key support. I want to see price action set up there. Right now, there is no price action. Price just blew up due to the news. So we need to wait for Monday and we need to wait for a reaction. So if you know how to trade this, if you know how to wait for price action, go for it, but these are the levels right here and just play it by day. So overall, like I said, we are bullish, but I do want to see a pullback first before we look for the buy opportunity, because we are strong, but there is a chance that we do take sellers liquidity down at these lows like I called last week. So if, right now the sell isn't there, it doesn't look like a sell opportunity, but the structure is weak, so the sell opportunity can set up. It's just not there yet, so that's why I said that before. So we're going to play it by day, right? So overall, you want to go with the overall trend. Obviously, the overall trend is 1801 support. I want to see a pullback. I want to look for support on a daily chart. I want to see it hold one of those key levels, and then when that buy opportunity sets up, we're going to slam that shit. Let's go. So that's gold. GBP JPY, right? Okay, so GBP JPY, we are bearish on the week. As you can see right here, we have this crown pattern, right? Which it's never taken out that 148 550 key level, right? So there still is bearish momentum with the GBP pairs. Friday we did get that rally due to the FOMC meeting, right? But we are reading down on the weekly chart. We are reading down on the weekly chart. We have this bounce on the daily chart. So we're holding this 150, 600 key level. As you can see, is that level right there. And it would be that level right there on the hourly chart, right? So, like I said, we are bearish on the week, but we had a weekly bullish candle, right? So, but there is a possibility that we do take out this weekly candle and just move towards that 148, 550 lows, right? So for me to take that short, I would like to see a daily engulfing back into this 150, 600 key level. See, so if price engulfs this daily candle and it takes out that level and ends back in this 150, 600 key level, we're probably just going to drop to that 148, 500 support level. So, but at the same time, we don't have any bias. So how do we trade this, right? So if you look over here, on the hourly chart, right now it is reading bearish momentum. We have bull traps, but that's not my opportunity to enter. I wait for the market open on Sunday into Monday, and then I react to what I see on New York session. So for me to enter this short, I would want to see bull traps to this level and then price action set back in there. Or if we drop to this 150 support level, I want to watch for a reaction to that level. So if we drop in and trap bears, that's when I'm going to look for the buy opportunity. Say we're holding that level where support, the retail traders are looking for support, right? That's when I'm going to look for a sell opportunity, because I know that, retail traders are trying to buy that support level. So I would look for the bull trap if we're just holding, or I'd look for a bear trap if we took that out and came back in. Overall, we are bearish on the week, so we might go with the weekly trend. So if we take out that level on the daily, say we take out that 150, 600 level on the daily, then we're going to look for a bull trap to this level right here on Tuesday, because this is a key level as well, and we'll probably just end up dropping to the lows. So that's GBP JPY. A little recap, we're bearish on the weekly chart. There is a possibility that this weekly candle does get engulfed, right? On the daily chart, we bounced at that 150, 600 level, which is that level right there. If we take out that level on the daily chart, we should have no problem dropping to that 148, 450 low, right? So I do want to wait for Monday. I want to see what happens on Monday. I want to wait for a reaction to that 156.60 key level. You know, if we get that bull trap to that level, we're going to look for that short. If we get the bear trap, we're going to look for that buy. So whatever happens first, that's how we're going to trade it, okay? So that is GBP JPY. Here is GBP USD. Similar story to GBP JPY. We are bearish on the week. We took out these levels, but last week was strange. We had that little bullish move up, right? So all buyer liquidity is above that U resistance at that 1.37800 key level, which is that 1.37850 key level right here, as well as that trend line. So there is a possibility that we get a bull trap above that level. The sell opportunity will set up when we come back into the value. It's not there yet, so once that sets up, that'll be the short opportunity. So say we get a bull trap, all buyers liquidity is caught above that 850 key level, look for the short into the value. But at the same time, we don't have any bias. So if price does happen to pull back first, because we are bullish on that weekly chart. Last week we had a strong bullish candle, but we're looking at these key support levels, right? So if we drop to 1.37050 first, before the bulls get caught above that level, see, so that's that right there. Say we pull back to there first, we're going to look for the buy opportunity if it sets up. So say we get a little bear trap to that key level, we're going to look for support on the daily chart and on the weekly chart, so then maybe we could keep pushing higher. But at the same time, we don't have any bias. So if we get that bull trap above the level, we're going to look for the short down there. Or if we start to move down first, we're going to look for support at that weekly key level right there, 1.37050, right? We're also going to watch all these other levels and just kind of play it by day. All right, so that's it. That's GBP USD. Let me do a quick little recap before we call it a day. GBP USD, like I said, we're bearish on the week, but last week we had a bullish candle. It might be wanting to take that buyer's liquidity above that 850 key zone. So if we move up higher first, we're going to look for the bull trap for the short back down to that 050 level. But if we come down first and find support at the 050 level, we're going to wait for bullish price action to set up. If bullish price action doesn't set up, then we're going to wait for more opportunities. So that is GU. If you guys need me to clarify anything, please shoot me a DM. I'll do the best I can to help you. Like I said, I want to see everybody succeed. I don't care about the marketing money. I just want to see people get this, because I think about myself throughout the process, and it's a very lonely, painful journey. So if you guys need help, feel free to shoot me a DM, and I'll be happy to help every single one of you. GBP JPY, similar story. We got that crown support. We are bearish on the weekly. We had that bounce. We are watching this 150-600 key support. If we take out that level on the daily chart, we're going to look for sell opportunities down to support. On the hourly chart, we're going to look for how we react to that 150-650 key level, right? So if we hold it, take out the level, we're going to look for the bull traps. If we take out the level first, we're going to look for the bear traps. Very simple. That's GJ. Gold, we're gonna wait with gold, right? We're bullish on the weekly. We came above that 1801 key resistance level, right, which is right there, but we're very strong on the daily chart, right, due to the FOMC news. So we need to wait for things to calm down a little bit. I would wait for Monday. I would see how we react. Is it going to be a bull trap, or are we going to pull back and find support? Overall, we are bullish on the daily and the weekly, so I would look for support to find support at 1801. So say we get it pulls back to 1801, it sets up bullish price action. Then you could look for that buy opportunity up into those highs right there, which is that 1834 high, which is right here on the daily chart, because all the buyers liquidity is above that level. And overall, we do want to push to that level, but we do need price action to set up first. So we do need a pullback. We don't want to do anything with this rally, because that's where the pigs are right there, that they get slaughtered. You don't want to do that. You want to wait for price action to set up and play it by day. That's gold. One more. We got Euro USD. Euro USD, we don't have any bias because we've been in this weekly range right here. We did catch sellers liquidity at that crown neck low right here on the daily. We came back into this value right here. We're approaching that U resistance level at 1.18050 key level due to the FOMC meeting. Structure is very weak. We do sort of have this inverted crown. If you see right here, I do want to see a bull trap above this level for the short opportunity to set up down to that support level, but at the same time we don't have any bias. So if we do pull back first, look for support at this 1.17800 key level on the daily, which is right here, and then we look for bear traps to that level for the buy opportunity up into that resistance level at 1.18050 key level. All right, so that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM, instagram.com/ZeroDrawDrew, or you could email me at officialpipcatchers@gmail.com, and I'd be happy to help you guys. Good luck, everybody. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like button. Also smash that subscribe button. Keep us motivated to put out this content every single week. And if you are interested, shoot me a DM, and I'll be happy to set you all up. Let's go. Let's have a great week. Let's have a great life. Let's have a great fucking year. Take care.